Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve time for a scroll break on Instagram. This is not a problem, it is caused by scrolling for a long time. If you want to fix this problem, click on load more post. After completing process, go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available Play Store or App Store. Tap on hold Instagram. Click on App Info or I button. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Storage. Tap on Delete. Hopefully in this process you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.